A flamingo's feathers don't turn pink until it reaches 2 or 3 years old. Flamingos are omnivorous birds who eat brine shrimp, algae, and snails. They live in large groups called colonies. These birds reside in tropical climates in regions of Africa, Asia, and around South America. This bird can have a wingspan as wide as 60 inches. Flamingos lay just one egg in a clutch. They have pink feathers due to the beta-carotene in the foods they eat. These birds can live from 20 to 30 years in the wild. They sometimes live in flocks containing thousands of birds. Their webbed feet help them to move across the surface of a lake. Flamingos are birds that are known for their long legs, with webbed feet, S-shaped neck, curved beak, and pink feathers. Their diet of algae and brine shrimp contains beta-carotene, which is a red-orange pigment. The large supply of beta-carotene taken in via the bird's diet is what turns their feathers bright pink. This bird uses its curved beak to shovel algae into its mouth when its head is underwater. These birds range from 3 to 4 feet tall and can weigh up to 9 pounds, depending on the species. The tallest species is the greater flamingo at 4.7 feet as well as the heaviest at 9 pounds. Line up 3 bowling pins end to end, and they are equal in length to a 4-foot-tall bird. A 9-pound bird is almost as heavy as the average house cat. The largest wingspan of the flamingo bird is 60 inches. That length is almost equal to the length of a home's refrigerator. A roseate spoonbill is similar to a flamingo and has a wingspan of 51 inches. When it comes to survival, the flamingo's greatest asset is its colony lifestyle. They live in colonies containing 100 or even thousands of birds. The sheer size of a colony can discourage predators. If one bird spots a predator, it begins honking to alert other birds of the danger. These social birds can be aggressive to one another when looking for food or competing for a mate during breeding season. Otherwise, they're an even-tempered animal. These birds live in tropical climates. Some live in East, West, and Southwestern Africa. Other species live in the southern region of coastal South America. They are also found in the Galapagos Islands, Turks and Caicos Islands, and the Bahamas as well as in India. The region of the world where a flamingo lives depends on its species. Specifically, their habitats include lagoons, shallow lakes, mangrove swamps, and tidal flats. Though this bird is not known to migrate, a colony may relocate if there is a drought in the area or if there is a shortage of one of their food sources. Birds living in a lake that is at a high elevation may move to a body of water at a lower elevation for the winter months. The bird's legs help it to survive in its lagoon, lake, or swamp habitat. The long legs of this animal allow it to access deeper areas of a body of water. This means it has a chance to find fish that aren't accessible to birds with shorter legs. One of the most interesting facts about these birds is they have webbed feet. These specially designed feet prevent them from sinking in the mud as they wade out in a lake or lagoon in search of a meal. Their webbed feet also come in handy when they want to swim in the water instead of wade. Observe a colony of these birds about to take off into flight and it may appear like they are running on the surface of the water. In a way, their webbed feet allow them to skim the surface of the water as they begin to lift off. You may have seen a picture of the birds standing on just one leg. Why do they do that? Answer: scientists don't know. Some scientists say that tucking one leg up under their body is a way to retain heat. But these birds have been seen standing this way in really hot climates. Other scientists believe this is a comfortable resting position for the bird. No one but a flamingo knows for sure.